Hey everyone, this is Sonia, and thank you for coming over. I'm going to show you how I made my faux stamps. Very easy, very simple with just a few supplies. Here's my little faux stamps. So easy. So I'm going to show you how I did this real quick. I take some cardstock. I kind of get the stiffer cardstock. I think it's better. And I use some book pages. And you don't have to have book pages. You can have music paper, anything you want. And I'm just going to cut some little pieces here. And I'm going to glue them down on the cardstock. Here's my glue stick. I'm going to leave a border around these little pieces because I'm going to cut them out in a minute here. Too much glue. Okay. These are fun to make because you can put them in your journals for ephemera, whatever you want to use them for. I know people have made these. I don't know how other people have done it, but this is how I do it, and I think it's just pretty simple. You can make a whole bunch in 30 minutes. You can make a whole bunch of these. Let's make another one. Any shape, make them big, make them little, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to make a few tonight, just not too many. Now, I use the pinking shears to cut around these because I think the edges look more like an actual stamp. You don't have to use these pinking shears. You can use just regular scissors. But see what I mean? I think it looks more like an actual stamp with this edging. See, it looks more like a stamp. Okay, but I'm not done. Let me cut a few more of these out. Try to get them pretty straight. That piece of paper wasn't very straight, but I'm just going to cut some out. And then we'll go from there. Okay, I'm going to cut these other ones out. It is very cold tonight. I'm in the Northwest, and it's in the rainy, cold season. Even though the sun was out today, it was still cold. And we don't get much sun in the winter. But I am so glad to be inside where it's warm, working on Christmas projects. Okay, I got these cut out. So now it's time to decorate these little faux stamps. And I have with me, I just have some little stickers. These are like little cactus or something. I think I've just got to use these. I don't really have anything else right now. So I just decorate with stickers or whatever. You don't have to use stickers, but they're kind of almost a transparent. They're kind of neat. They're really pretty. I don't know if you can see these very good, but here, I think I'll put maybe another one right there, that one. Okay, used up that. Okay. I have sometimes these don't want to come off. Oh, here it comes. If I don't tear it. Okay. I'll put a big one on there. That's almost too big. But okay. Almost done. Here I have my stickers on here. Kind of decorated a little bit. Now I have like a postmark rubber stamp that I have. I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to stamp. I'm just going to put about one stamp. Place it strategically on my, there you go. Oop. That looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, oh, those look pretty good. Those look pretty good. See my little, can you see the little postmark on there? On the stamps? Like that. I think I look pretty good. Now, if you want to, you can distress with, on the edges. I'm not doing that tonight, but you can. You don't have to use stickers, you can use whatever. So what we did, we had cardstock. I had chunks of book pages that I cut out, glued on. I decorated, and then I put a little postage stamp there for little faux stamps. That's what I got. So very easy, very quick. And thanks for coming over tonight and watching. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.